Mabuhay! Welcome to English 101, a crash course series made just for you. Today, let's learn about using present perfect continuous tense. Use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about recent ongoing or repeated actions. To make the present participle, add ing to the dictionary form of the verb. The dictionary form is study. The present participle is studying. In a sentence, you can say, I have been studying Filipino history recently. Again, the form is have been plus present participle. Okay? Take note, for verbs that end in E, drop the E and add ing. Then, for most verbs that end in consonant, vowel, consonant, except W, X, or Y, double the last consonant and add ing. For more examples, we can say, she has been living in Metro Manila. We have been running at the Oval. In casual spoken and written English, have is usually contracted with subject pronouns. I have, I've. They have, they've. You have, you've. We have, we've. It has, its. She has, she's. I've been studying Filipino history recently. For more examples, we can say, she's been living in Metro Manila. We've been running at the Oval. Got it? You can use the present perfect continuous to also ask questions about recent ongoing or repeated actions. For instance, have you been taking English lessons recently? Where has she been living? What have you been doing? As a tip, short phrases like yes I have and no I haven't may also be used to positively or negatively answer yes no questions about recent ongoing or repeated actions. You can use for to explain how long something has been happening. Examples: I've been taking English lessons for 7 years. We've been running at the gym for 20 minutes. Clear? Finally, use since to talk about the starting point of an action. Examples: I've been taking English lessons since 2013. We've been running at the gym since 10 o'clock. Take note, you cannot use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about the total number of times that something was done. Use the present perfect tense instead. It is wrong to say, I've been taking online lessons twice. So, you should say, I've taken online lessons twice. Also, you cannot use the present perfect continuous tense with most stative verbs. Use the present perfect tense instead. It is wrong to say, I've been knowing my best friend for 10 years. So you should say, I've known my best friend for 10 years. Okay? And that's all for today's quick lesson. Thank you and good luck!